Howdy, Wall Street Willie. Where can I buy long-term care insurance and how much does it cost? You can buy long-term care insurance directly from insurance companies, through a financial advisor, or through an employer if they offer group plans. Costs for long-term care insurance vary widely based on factors like your age, gender, marital status, health, and the coverage amount and duration. The younger and healthier you are, the lower the cost. Similarly, higher limits, longer duration, reduced elimination period, etc. will cost you more. Men tend to pay less than women, as women usually live longer and therefore have a greater chance of claiming the coverage. Buying policies as a couple rather than individual policies often reduces premiums. For example, a single 55-year-old man in good health can expect to pay $2,100 per year for a long-term care policy, with a coverage amount of $165,000. For the same policy, a single 55-year-old woman would pay $3,600 per year, and a 55-year-old couple would pay a combined premium of $5,025 per year. Premiums can also vary across different providers, so make sure to compare options. What should I keep in mind when choosing a long-term care insurance plan? There are a few key factors to keep in mind. The first is a maximum benefit amount, both daily and lifetime. Make sure you choose a policy with enough benefits for your needs, depending on your personal situation, like your location, health, and age. It's also important to consider the benefit period, how long it'll pay benefits, and the elimination period, wait time before receiving benefits. Also, the premium could go up after you buy the policy, although it's not common. If that happens, you can keep the benefits you signed up for by paying the higher premium. Alternatively, you can reduce the coverage and continue with the old premium. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.